Hello, beautiful people. How you guys doing today? If you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video with your friend, family, co-worker and stuff. So, you guys don't see me often post like I used to post and talk in my video. Of course, yes, you know why? I moved from the States to Africa. That's why you can tell that the environment is different. Yes, so that's why I said if you guys want to know more about how I'm doing, how the life is going in Africa, just keep watching me. Follow me. I'm going to try now to post often, and so you can see, what's going on and how the Africa look like. For some people that think that Africa is just like it's just a safari. No. So keep watching me. And today is about her natural hair that I'm trying to cornrow and twist the end. So that's what you see me doing. You already cornrowed and then I'm twisting the end. And I like to twist the end the way like to make it softer, so it could be like a bomb twist and like not tight. I don't like it to be too tight, so you could look something puffy, So yeah, that's how I'm doing her 4 to 5 inches cornrow in Africa. All right, so guys, keep watching. Thank you. So this is how I twist the hair, her natural hair. I like to comb the hair very well because to make it easier for me to twist. I like to make it easier. Once you comb it well, it's because you have nappy hair. The hair is nappy. So once you comb it very well, it's easy for you to twist it. And like I say at the beginning, I like it to twist it. Not too tight so that it can be puffy like a Nubian. Because once you twist it, like at the beginning you twist it, like you see how some people they want to learn how to twist, they twist it so tight, it's getting unraveled very quick. But once you twist it with the space not too tight, like playing, it's kinda like puffy, so puffy and cute. So I like to do it. Keep watching. Yes, we're done with our moho, natural hair moho on the side. We're done. You guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my video, like, comment, and share. And let me know what you guys want to watch from me, from Africa and everything. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys.